In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of hiding all your photos on Facebook at once. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Whether you want to keep your photos private from friends or the public, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in without further ado. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture or your name at the top left of the screen. Near the Edit Profile section, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on these dots to access more options. And here, select Activity Log. This will take you to the Activity Log, which displays all your Facebook activity and allows you to manage your photos. At the top of the Activity Log, tap on Public Posts. Here now, you can see all the photos you posted on your Facebook account. To select all of them at once, tap on All. Then, tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right and select Change Audience. You can change the audience from public to friends to restrict access to only your friends. Alternatively, select Only Me to hide the posts from everyone. By following these steps, you can effectively hide all your photos on Facebook from the public, safeguarding your privacy and controlling who can view your cherished memories on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.